extend very warm greetings to all of you. I, Dr. Ajit Kumar N. Shukla, Director, PSIT College of Engineering, take this opportunity to briefly give you some insight into our institute. 348 PSIT College of Engineering is an engineering institute affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, AKTU. The institute was established in the year 2008 by eminent members of Sahyog Jan Kalyan Samiti. PSIT College is a lush green campus which is a pride of Kanpur and is a role model for all others to follow. Brand PSIT Kanpur is led by visionary educational leader Sri Pranveer Singh Ji, committed to provide best quality of education and all-round personality development to students. PSIT College of Engineering offers program of study both at UG and PG level. The program offered are Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science, Information Technology, Civil, Electronics and Communication, Mechanical and MBA. The college is in process of augmenting its intake capacity with 2 additional programs in emerging areas, artificial intelligence and machine learning. The entire program offered by the institute are AICTE approved, and our alumni of the institute since 2012 are doing outstanding work in the society and all over the world. PSIT Kanpur cherished the value to provide world-class infrastructure as an enabling environment, academic brilliance as a brand promise to each and every students, and assurance of excellent placement coupled with zeal to ignite the capacity for entrepreneurship and faring well in competitive exams leading to higher studies. PSIT College of Engineering vision is to achieve excellent holistic professional education and training ecosystem. The mission of the institute is first, to provide an environment of effective learning and innovation. Second, to make student dynamic, responsible and productive professional. Third, to make student adaptable to changing needs of industry and society. The secret of PSIT College of Engineering success lies in the process of meeting student and parents' aspiration by providing academic rigor mixed with high level of discipline, inculcation of professional behavior to reap best placement record in and around UP and India. Students love to be part of flagship events of PSIT Kanpur. To name few are Waves, Ignitia, Parampara, Achiever Nights, Lame, Footprints, Yade and many more. The vent to creative and professional talent is provided through galaxy of club and professional chapter activities like Institution of Engineers, India, Computer Society of India, AIEEE and IST. We pride our association with major industries like Infosys, TCS, Number 1, BRD, Indian Air Force, Bharat Oil and Waste Management, Board of Apprenticeship and many others to provide cutting-edge industrial experience to our students. Join us to build your future with us. Thank you.
In academics, I ensure mainly 2 things. First one is to follow the strictly academics of the institute as per the norms of AKTU and AICTE. Second one is to implement the provisions of the training ecosystem of the institute for higher placements. For compliance of these 2 parameters, we strictly follow the timely completion of syllabus, preparing an academic calendar. We conduct 2 academic audits per semester for all the departments to enhance the quality of teaching. We compile feedback of faculty from the students, procure books and journals as required by different departments. As far as my role of HOD, Department of Civil Engineering is concerned, I would like to say the Department of Civil Engineering was established in the year 2008 with a vision to create professionally competent, confident and society-sensitive civil engineers. To achieve these visions, we have 2 missions. First is to provide excellent concurrent professional civil engineering educations, and the second one is to prepare students to practice and research in civil engineering for the benefit of societies. Friends, we are fully committed for all-round development of our students. For this, we concentrate upon 3 things: teaching, students' activities and training and placement. In addition to classroom teaching, we also follow online teaching through LMS, Google Classrooms, NPTEL video lectures and so on. We arrange site visits for our students. We have 10 labs with state-of-the-art equipment and advanced softwares. arrange classes for video educations. Student project work publications can help in their higher studies. Students are participating in technical events, conference, seminars outside and inside the campus. They are also registering for NPTEL edX Coursera courses. Students are participating in Smart Media Hackathon organized by the Ministry of Education. As far as the student activities are concerned, I would like to say that we have a student chapter established by the Institute of Engineering. The students of these chapters are involved in organizing expert lectures, sports activities, technical events, model developments. As far as training and placement is concerned, we go for the training for aptitude and reasoning, mock test and mock interview, including technical nature, provide short skill training to enhance the students' communication and confidence. This not only help in their placement but also in preparation of CAT exams. That's why our students have got admitted in the Institute of National Importance like IIMs. Thank you very much.
Engineering provides solution to various complex problems, and choosing career in engineering is a good and it is a help towards the solving these complex problems. So basically, when the student come in our department, the newly admitted students they have to complete the induction program before starting their course, engineering course. The basic object behind this induction program is to develop engineering aptitude among the students, so that they can learn and they can study and they can focus more intensively towards the engineering. According to the new AICTE model curriculum, the students are exposed to various technical quizzes, industrial visit, logic problem solving, approaches, exploring the campus facilities. Initially in first year, with 2 semesters, these newly admitted students, they study physics, chemistry, maths, computer concept and C, basic electrical engineering and professional ethics before start their core subjects. Because these courses are considered as the fundamental subjects under the engineering course. As an institution, we are also doing excellent research and innovation. Our students, they have participated in various programs related with the AKTU Innovation Gallery, certain research platforms, and they have developed several prototypes also. Our faculty members and the students both, they are striving very hard towards the developing new prototype in the institute as well as the outside of the institute. Under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, our faculty members, with the help of Industry Institute Partnership Cell, they have solved so many local problems and they have developed the solution of these problems, which is what helpful towards the local people. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Pradeep Rai, Head of the Department Computer Science and Engineering. I am here to introduce you our department, Computer Science. Our vision is to be recognized as the Department of Computer Science and Engineering that produces versatile computer engineers capable of adapting to the changing needs of computer and related industry. Our program outcomes are mainly dealing with engineering knowledge, problem analysis, design of solution, investigation, modern tool usage, ethics, communication, project management and lifelong learning. We always actually emphasize on problem analysis because this is the major thing every student should actually have as a skill. So for that we come up with different types of different assignments, projects work, so that they are able to understand what problem is and then they try to analyze the problem and come up with the solution to that problem. So for inculcating their basic knowledge, we have a very good setup of faculty members, those who are actually giving them a great conceptual knowledge of computer science, and that is the reason we have very good placement record. We can tell you that starting from 2017 to 18, we have started with the 70 offers for our students. Then we come up with the 106 offers, and in the current academic year, Now this whole tolls goes up to 166 student. So I request all the part of this college to be there to build better computer science and engineering department.
Hello my dear future technocrats. EC department was established in the year 2008 with the following vision: to become a known center of excellence that produces skilled, innovative, ethical and industry-ready electronics and communication engineers. Our mission is to offer qualitative education of global standards in electronics and communication engineering with professional ethics through innovative methods of teaching and learning. EC department strives hard towards the goal of providing innovative and quality education with high standards to achieve academic excellence. We have highly qualified faculties from different renowned institutions who motivate our students to participate in various technical activities such as Smart India Hackathon organized by MHRD and in various technical events organized by Texas Instruments, Tech Mahindra, INPI-TQ and Hack with INPI. Our students are also guided by our faculties to enroll themselves in online program offered by Swayam Portal, Coursera, Udemy and Texas Instruments. Our department organizes various workshops and expert lecture from eminent speakers from IITs and NITs to increase the understanding of recent trends and cutting-edge technologies of VLSI, microwave, wireless communication, control system and many more technical fields. We also offer industrial training program to our students in various organizations such as BSNL, ISRO, Doordarshan and many more. At last, if we concern about the placement, PSIT COE is the best institute in Northern India to offer placement to our students in various companies such as Infosys, TCS, Wipro, AQ, Capgemini and many more. At last, I would like to say that what you learn, how you learn and where you learn play a crucial role in developing your intellectual capability. Thank you.
If you are fascinated towards robotics, design car, bikes and secure jobs in PSUs such as IOCL, GAIL, BPCL, NTPC, then Mechanical Engineering Department of PSIT College of Engineering provide excellent opportunity. We nurture the skills of the students to be a proficient mechanical engineer. Department has highly qualified faculties who not only deliver excellent knowledge in the subject but also guide them how to apply the concept in the real world. We also mentor our students to develop their skills. We provide the best of the training facilities for our students as per industry requirements. Our labs are equipped with latest software like ANSYS, CATIA, 3D SolidWorks. We provide excellent training to our students through which they secure jobs in reputed organizations. Good number of students are placed in top MNCs like Godrej, Tata Motors, Bosch and Transport Corporation of India. Our students have won several prizes in various national and international project competitions. From past few years, our students secure gold medal and bronze medal in the university merit list. I would like to end with a quote of Albert Einstein: successful and unsuccessful people do not vary greatly in their abilities. They vary in their desire to reach their potential. Thank you.
Education should bring in moral ethical values of well-being to students, and PSIT College of Engineering should strive hard to bring in the core human values in the process of learning and focus on quality approach to ensure better living with better educated countrymen. PSIT College of Engineering campus is totally ragging free, and Proctorial Board is always conscious and concerned about the interest and future of its students. We are committed to create a safe and motivating environment in our institution and to bring professionalism among students by the inculcation of best practices. To achieve this, We have an optimistic approach in imparting discipline among its students. We framed rules and regulation to maintain discipline in the college premises. We always encourage students for good and healthy practices.